cold room sandwich panel is offloading on the side. Now this is accessories of new cold room silicone. This is U channel for installation of cold room wall. Now we shifting all cold room panels to inside our side. Finally, we start the work of our installation of cold room. Now we fix U channel for cold room wall fixing. Now first we paste silicone bottom the U channel, then we fix this U channel for installation of cold room wall. First we marking the floor, then we fixing U channel. Now we fix the U profile. For cold room wall, for installation of cold room wall panel. This is U channel, very hard, strong, for fixing the wall panel, very strong.